Here goes the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. The darker the skin, that mean the deeper the roots. And I'm as black as they come, look, talking nigga black. I got my hair wrap on, protecting my nigga naps. Gold rope chain with amber up under that. The cracker sleeping on me, who told him to take a nap?
Mash it up, no! Mash that down, no!
See, I'm the head rap guy. But far from the creator, spitting knowledge from my conscious speech around this equator. Look, I'm focused on paper, don't give a damn by no hater. If you approach life wrong, then I have to annihilate you. My life is like a symphony. I'm trying to be major. We both eating, but you down, and that's while I'm tipping my weight. Look, my best friend is my banker, and my credit is way up. Your brainwashed to stay stuck, man. I need to wake up. What's going on, everybody? My name is Lux. If you like or love what you just heard, make sure you drop a comment, let me know so. And drop a follow, and I'll be sure to follow you back. Follow this journey, you heard? Conscious rap. Why?